process, because only dead people cannot learn. All human beings, the living people, living creatures do learn. I'm as I said, very humble for the comments the speakers have mentioned about me. I have tried to study and understand different areas of law, and it is always my privilege and honor to come to this kind of a gathering in order to learn from your people. I am also greatly impressed, as always, by the deliberation of Mr. Fahad Ahmad Siddiqui, my nephew, my brother, my rightly pointed